Good morning, class 6. We are on chapter number 24 and we have read about all these angles, and now we are on example number 2. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. Can you see AOB is a straight line? Find the value of x. And now see the figure properly, children. This is your AOB line and it is one more ray over there, OC, and now these are forming two angles. One angle is this and one angle is this. Can you see, children? This is a straight line. Since AOB is a straight line, so what is going to be there? The sum of all the angles will be what? 180 degrees, because we have studied over here an angle of 180 degrees known as straight angle or straight line angle. So on a straight line, the sum of angles will be 180, no matter how many angles are there, but the sum of that line will be, of all those angles, will be 180 degrees. So x plus 10 degree plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now constant add them. X plus 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now take this 85 that side. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 85 will give you 95 degree answer. Important thing is that you have to remember that on a straight line the sum of angles will be 180 degrees. Now let's do example number 3. Use the given figure to find x. You have to see this figure and you have to find the value of x. Now children, remember, the sum of all the angles around a point. Sum of all the angles around a point is always 360 degrees. One complete rotation, one complete round. So x, let's start from here. X plus 50 plus x plus 70 is equal to 360 degrees. Now x will give you 3x plus 70 plus 50 will give you 120. You will add them separately because these are your constants and these are your variables. Now take this 120 that side. So 3x is equal to 360 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 240 degrees. X is equal to 240 upon 3. Here it is in multiply, so it will come in the denominator. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. So 80 degrees is the value of x. Now questions based on these examples. First you will do question number 5. In the figure given alongside name, just now you have read about the angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight line angle, reflex angle, adjacent angle, है ना? So now you have to tell on the basis of this figure 3 pairs of adjacent angles. Like one pair is this AOB and BOC. One more is there BOC and COD, and one is there COD and AOD. Clear? Then you have to tell acute angles. So one is this AOB and one is this AOD, because this is less than 90. 90 is usually like this. This is a straight line and the half of this is your 90. This is 90, this is 90, this is your complete 180, and this AOB is coming here like this, so it is less than 90. So AOB and AOD. Then you have to tell 2 obtuse angles and also you have to tell 2 reflex angles. Now this you will do yourself. Now come question number 6. In the given figure, PQR is a straight line. PQR is a straight line, so the sum of both these angles which they are forming, this angle, will be what, children? 180 degrees. Fine. Now if SQR is 75, find PQS. So angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree, and SQR is given 75. So angle PQS is equal to 180 degree minus 75. Clear? That is 105 degrees. Fine. Similarly you can do the second part. Now next comes, in the given figure AOC is a straight line. AOC is a straight line. If angle AOB is 50 degrees and angle AOE is 90 degrees, an angle COD, this one, is your 25 degrees. Find the measure of angle BOC, angle EOD, like this you have to do. So what are you going to do is, what will be the angle BOC? Now this is a straight line, so this will be what? This plus this will be 180, so this will be 180 minus 50. Why? Because this is 50 and this total is 180. So whatever is left, it is this angle. Fine, this is 25, this is 90, and this is straight line, so below also 180. So what will be this angle? 180 minus 90 plus 25. We will subtract these two from 180 and we'll get this one. Like this you will complete this question. I want you to try this. Then if you have got any problem, just let me know. Okay. Similarly, the whole exercise is based on this method only, which we have studied. But today you complete till question number 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And please send your problems to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.